Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the microphone is not working with a certain application on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So if it isn't working with a certain application, then click on these three dots at the top of the application and go to settings. It would have a devices page and just make sure that the right microphone is being used. And the same microphone should be the default microphone of your computer. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select sound, and make sure that in the input section the correct microphone is selected. Now go to that microphone, scroll down and click on start now corresponding to the test and click on stop. It will show the volume percentage as well. Once this has been sorted out, click on the system tray and make sure that the output sound is working, because it may be that the microphone is working, but since the output is not working, then you might not be able to hear it properly. Another thing that you can try is search for device manager and open the device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, right click on the first one and update the drivers, right click on the second microphone and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.